Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a simple but absolutely delicious meal, crunchy potatoes served with egg sauce. So let's get started. So firstly, you're going to wash and peel your potatoes, and then you're going to place them in a pot to cook. Add some salt, and then you're going to cook this until they're tender but not too soft. Okay, so just cook it until it's a little bit soft, yeah, but not too soft. So I cooked this for around 10 to 15 minutes, and after a while I checked on it and it is as tender as I want it to be. So I'm going to remove the water. Then I'm going to drizzle with a little olive oil. Then I'm going to add my seasonings. I have paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, salt, black pepper mixed with turmeric, and then oregano. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to mix everything together so the seasoning coats the potatoes nicely. So you just give it a stir. It's good to also rough it up a little bit, the edges. Then when you're done with that, you're going to spread them out on a baking tray. Then you're going to bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway, or you can air fry it for 18 to 22 minutes, or pan fry also works if you prefer. Now for the egg sauce, I'll be using fresh tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, and scotch bonnet pepper. So you're gonna heat some coconut oil or any oil you're using in a pan, and then you're going to go in with your mixtures. That's your tomatoes and the bell peppers and the onions. So now we are going to let this cook down for about 5 to 10 minutes until the tomatoes reduce. And then you're going to season lightly with seasoning cubes. You're also going to season with salt, and then I added some curry powder, just a little bit. Now you're going to go ahead and pour in your eggs. Okay, so you're going to stir gently. Alright, stir it gently and cook until the eggs are set but still saucy. So after the eggs set, I'm going to go in with some green peppers, just for a pop of color, and green peppers are also healthy, so that's perfect. Now I'm gonna add it in, stir it around a little bit more, and then that's it. Our egg sauce is ready. And now also check on your potatoes. If they are not as crunchy or crispy as you want it, just leave it for 5 to 8 more minutes in the oven to crisp up. So guys, this is it, our delicious egg sauce. And then we also have our crunchy potatoes. Okay, it's crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. And that's it, our crunchy potatoes with delicious egg sauce are ready to enjoy. Crispy on the outside, fluffy inside, and paired with that rich, flavorful sauce. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.